Good morning, children. Welcome back to Ican Physics. Now, in this class, we are going to see cells in a series and cells in parallel. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. Okay, ma. So the next question is the cells in a series. So let us consider a cell of EMF 1 and another cell of EMF 2 and another cell of EMF 3 are connected in series. Okay. To the external resistance capital R. Okay. Now, its internal resistance is taken as R1 and its internal resistance R2 and its internal resistance R3. Just look at the connection, how it is connected. So, the positive terminal is connected with the negative. The positive terminal connected with the negative, then it is said to be cells in series. Okay. So, from that we can calculate, that is the total current equal to total EMF divided by total resistance. Okay, so total EMF, first we have to calculate total EMF. So how we can calculate total EMF? EMF, the first one, second one and the third one. So psi 1 plus psi 2 plus psi 3. Let these are all equal. Psi 1 equal to psi 2 equal to psi 3 equal to psi. So that we can write psi plus psi plus psi. Then we can say 3 psi. Suppose in case n batteries are connected or n cells are connected. So in general, the total EMF is n psi. So now it's taken as equation number 1. Now it's taken as equation number 2. Okay. Now, total resistance. First, we have to calculate the resistance in series of the cells. Okay. So, the resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Now, the internal resistance of the cells are small r1, small r2, small r3. So, this is the general formula. Then we can modify for our case R1 plus R2 plus R3. So let us consider R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R. Then R plus R plus R. So it becomes 3R. Here we are connecting 3 cells so that it becomes 3R. Suppose in general, when it is n cells are connected, so it becomes nr. So these 3 becomes 3r. In general, it becomes nr. Now it is connected with the external resistance. So the total resistance equal to nr plus capital R. Now it can be taken as equation number 3. Okay. Now substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Okay. So what about the 1? The total current I equal to total EMF by total resistance. So the total current I equal to total EMF, that is n psi. Okay. So n psi divided by the total resistance. So what about total resistance? NR plus R. So NR plus R. So first case, when R is much less than the external resistance, then NR can be neglected. NR can be neglected. So when we neglect NR, so I equal to n times of psi by R. So this is the ideal condition to connect the cells. Why? Because when the internal resistance is much smaller, then the EMF by R is n times, so that the current will be more. So this is the ideal condition. So on the other hand, I, second case, R is much greater than capital R. So capital R can be neglected. So when we neglect the capital R, then I equal to N psi by N R. Now N getting cancelled. So once again, psi by R equal to I. Simply we can remember I equal to V by R. So V equal to IR. So ஒரு செல்ல இருந்து நமக்கு எவ்வளவு கிடைக்குமோ அதே தான் n number of cells கனெக்ட் பண்ணாலும் கிடைக்கும். எப்ப? when internal resistance is very high. So இது நமக்கு தேவை இல்லை. அப்ப எது ஐடியல் அப்படின்னா இதுதான். ஓகேவா? ஓகே, do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.